Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record supplier credits in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential task when a supplier issues you a credit for returned goods, overpayments, or billing adjustments, and you need to track it properly in your accounting system. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your home base where you'll access all the main functions of QuickBooks. Once you're there, look toward the top left corner of your screen and click the plus new button. This button is your gateway to creating all types of transactions in QuickBooks, from invoices to expenses and everything in between. After clicking plus new, you'll see a menu with several sections. Look for the section labeled Suppliers and click on Supplier Credit. This option is specifically designed for recording credits that suppliers have issued to your business, ensuring they're properly documented and can be applied to future bills. Next, you'll see a drop-down field labeled Supplier. Click on it and select the supplier who issued the credit. This step is important because it links the credit directly to the correct supplier account, making it easy to apply later when you pay bills from that supplier. Now enter the date of the credit in the date field. This should be the date the supplier issued the credit, not necessarily today's date. Accurate dating helps keep your financial records organized and makes it easier to reconcile accounts later. If your supplier provided a credit memo number or reference, enter it in the reference no field. While this step is optional, it's highly recommended for tracking purposes. Having a reference number makes it much simpler to match the credit with your supplier's records if questions arise down the road. In the Category Details or Item Details section, enter the specific category, product, or service that the credit relates to. This ensures the credit is allocated to the correct account in your books, maintaining accurate financial reporting. Be as specific as possible here to avoid confusion later. If you have any supporting documents like a credit memo or email confirmation from your supplier, click Add Attachment to upload them. This creates a complete record and gives you quick access to documentation if you need it for audits or reference. Finally, once you've reviewed everything and confirmed it's accurate, click Save and Close if you're finished. If you have multiple supplier credits to enter, click Save and New instead, which will immediately open a fresh form so you can continue recording without interruption. And that's it. Your supplier credit is now recorded in QuickBooks Online and ready to be applied to future bills from that supplier. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.